Good day. There are many occasions when I needed to help someone adjust their bracelet, maybe take out a link from the bracelet, change the bracelet into a leather strap, also maybe change the battery, and for those occasions I assembled this kit with my tools into this little nice Barkleys mint tin box. I like these boxes. I also have another box that I can store some of my pocket knives. You can see that video there. But for these occasions when I need to adjust someone else's watch, I have this little kit. First of all, I have here a vintage Victorinox case opener, watch opener, which obviously has this case back opener blade that you can open the snapback covers like this, something like that. It also has a nice and useful blade, and it's super slim, super slim. I like to leave the paper inside after I cleaned it a bit, so it provides a little bit of protection. I have a little bit pair of tweezers, a screw back opener. Most of these are vintage or I just found locally and I put it inside my kit. I never bought anything new except this basic pin remover, something really basic and cheap. It came with a lot of these interchangeable pins. I also carry a set of telescopes in the most usual dimensions. Another pin pusher. This little adjuster that you can take out the telescopes. A pusher. Another tiny remover tool. Also a Ziploc bag if I need to store something in it, in which I have two other tools, a screwdriver and another pin pusher and telescope remover. So I hope you found it useful. Please let me know in the comments below if you have kits similar to this. Usually I do not carry any batteries with me because those occasions are rare and I do not want any leakage inside. But this is what I carry with me if I need to help someone change some links, readjust the bracelet, take out the leather strap, or other tasks like these. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I would like to hear about from you if you have something similar, or if you have any suggestions what I should put inside in addition. Let me know. Have a nice day. Bye.